viewers, welcome to Sahiba's Treasure YouTube channel. As the weather is cool, let's fry fish today. I am Safa, daughter of Ali Madan. Today I will show you how to make this delicious fish recipe. First we know about ingredients. We need 2 kg fish, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoon, red chilli 2 spoon, turmeric half teaspoon, and cornflour 2 teaspoon. Let's start the preparation. First, wash the fish nicely with salt and turmeric. Add salt 2 teaspoon, red chilli 2 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, cornflour 2 teaspoon, now mix it nicely and keep the marinated fish for 1 to 2 hours. Take a grill pan, grease the pan with 1 tablespoon oil. Grease nicely with small brush. Arrange the pieces one by one on the grill pan. Fry the fish on the medium flame for 10 minutes. Till then, let's cut the onion. Take a medium size onion. Cut the slices of onions as shown in the video. Use this onion for garnishing. Wow! Here our fish is fried nicely on one side. Flip the pieces of fish and fry it on other side for another 5 minutes. Arrange the fried pieces of fish. Garnish it nicely with onions and lemons and mint leaves. Serve it hot with rice and dal. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and comment. If you like this video, then like and share also. Please watch my other videos, especially Sana leaves, herbal tea, because it's good for health, especially for corona patients and for other benefits. Thank you again. Goodbye. Please enjoy this delicious fish. And inshallah I am coming back with new videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment. And like and share also.